Are you looking to permanently eliminate your snoring? Snoring actually causes many unhealthy sleeping habits that can actually increase the health hazards of a person. One system that I have found online which has helped thousands of people worldwide is the Stop Snoring Exercise Program. 1. The Stop Snoring Exercise Program Yawning Trick. One effective trick that you can learn from this program is the fake yawning technique. When repeated for a sufficient number of times, it really works to stop snores and allows a person to breathe more easily. This yawning process helps to open up the throat that allows easier airflow. Opening the throat stops a person from snoring. Therefore, a person seeking to prevent snoring can try yawning a number of times a day. The most effective method of this program is definitely the breathing technique that works to remove built-up tension in the throat, which is the main cause of the problem of snoring. The very basic and simple to execute exercise alters the breathing pattern of a person, and had an almost immediate positive effect on your sleeping patterns from the moment you started applying it. This guide shows a couple of positions that has been tested and proven to be able to eliminate more than 90% of the sleep problems that most people typically have. Your sleeping positions actually have a significant impact on your breathing and snoring patterns, thus being aware of how you sleep can actually move you towards getting rid of it.
You can find out more about the exercise guide by clicking on the link below.